Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D BIM model in SketchUp, then how to make 2D drawings and how to create a scene in Twinmotion. So let's get started. I'll name it Garden House number 3. I've done these two previously, but it didn't export well. So let's start with creating a SketchUp model, and we will use also 3 extensions for this. One will be Medic, then Conduct, and lattice maker. So first let's save the model. Go to desktop and save it as Garden House 3. Save. And let's create a floor cassette. I'll use Medic truss and select a lumber floor rectangle. And let's say I want it 6 meters long. Yeah. Or wide, 6 meters wide and 11 meters long. So joist depth, I'll use 200 mil timber by 45 and with the rim board of 45 with joist spacing about 600 mil and advanced floor options. Yes, that's where we want a sheeting and disable a sill plate. So now we have a floor cassette, and as you see on the right, it also created our layers, uh, which is awesome. It grouped and created layers. So what now we will do, we will just make a sandwich out of it. So it's completed. Now let's create walls. Let's click Medic walls and let's change these options to what we like it to be. I need to select the walls to be 200 by 45 mil with a stud spacing about 622 mil with two bottom plates, which are top plate and bottom plate about 45 mil. Then leave it default with wall sheeting. We want OSB, we want cladding, and we will select a different material to a cladding. We will have a gypsum and we will have also blocking. So let's hit that update and let's create the external walls. Now we need to click on this point, the latest one. So we now have got ourselves a walls. Now we can create internal walls by, let's say, getting out of the plasterboard, which is called wall gypsum. And so we will click the wall. We will change to custom by having 75 by 38 mil wall. That's about right. Um, 80 mil. Now we want it to be interior and interior wall without a sheeting, without a cladding. And hit that update. Now what I'm going to do is, so I'll have a kitchen with a sitting area and the dining here. So let's separate that. So this would be our layout. I was thinking about this as the just a toilet. Yeah. Then a bedroom with so bath, sink. I can fit toilet with shower here, not a problem, the same here. Okay, so let's create doors and windows. So let's create doors first. And we use these default settings. So let's create a door here, right there. Now use 800 mil doors. So one door is going to be there, one there, and the other one right here. So yeah. Now I would like to have French windows. So I'll go to 3 meters wide door opening. To 700 mil opening and have something like this. And now I'll create windows. I will leave the preset. Okay, we can leave it like this. Now what we have to do is to create a roof. So where is the roof? We can either create a flat roof or we can create normal roof, the common. So we'll go with this. Let's start. Select the width and then the length of the roof. Think, let's go with that. 20, I think we're okay. I'll go 18. Overhang 100 mil. Go okay. Select advanced. Yes, 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 yes. Ceiling gypsum, no. Gutters, yes. Stucco. Submit. There we go. We have the roof. And it's named as well. So now we can create a windows, which will be easy. I'll show you how to do it. That's the second extension we use. It's called the lattice maker. So how do I do French windows or doors? I just take the bottom line, set to divide so it's all equal, and do something like this. Go to lattice maker. And then just click through it. There we go. We're almost done. We also need to group it. Not yet. And we need external doors. So I'll use 3D warehouse. Let's say we'll use these. So I'll just click it. know how it looks, but and where it is, I don't know. Okay. We need to scale it. Okay. There it is. And now we can finally select all the windows and group them together. Okay, so that's done. Now let's create a tag. Let's name it Windows. Uh-huh. Windows. And we can now assign the windows to the tag. Or can we? Window. There it is. Yeah. Now if we turn it off or on, so this works. We can get rid of the roof, just like this. And we can put some doors in. So we need internal doors. Internal. And we need something really simple. So I'll go with this. That's a big one. That's a big fella. Let's rotate. Put it down there. Adjust the size. Yeah, like this. Just copy and paste. So there it is. And we can also put some flooring down. Let's give it about 10 mil. And now set it down and assign it a texture. So this is going to be a carpet and this is going to be a tile. So this is it, and this could be, the whole thing could be a floor thing. Yep. So there it is. We need to group the internal doors, give it a tag. Int doors. Now indoors, internal doors. The same with flooring. 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 There is. And so this would be the tutorial for how to create a 3D digital twin. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to put it into a 2D drawings. So it looks like from AutoCAD. I'll use contact tools for that. So see you.